powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is well equipped. This Dodge features premium sound, heated power mirrors, and rear spoiler. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and four-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include satellite radio, Bluetooth wireless, backup camera, and navigation system. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.